Hey everybody, Dane here with Thin Feather Fur Outfitters. Today we're looking at the Ruger Security-9. So let's talk about it. The Ruger Security-9 was released in 2017. Hard to believe. It has been 7 years since this handgun has been around. The MSRP back then was $379, and would you believe the current MSRP is $379? I am impressed that Ruger has been able to keep this in the budget line. Now, when this was released, it was met with high approval. A lot of people said, I love what it offers. It actually has a secure trigger system, is what Ruger calls it, and that is the same technology as the LCP2. When that came out, people loved the trigger. They added that same technology to all of the Ruger securities, the Security-380, Security-9, Security-9 Compact, and I personally like it. Now, one of the criticisms was that the longevity wouldn't be there. Well, I will tell you, I have owned this since 2017, put a lot of rounds through it, well over 1,500, I would guess, and it has performed great and still does today. I recently had it out, loved the way it performs, so I think that this handgun and longevity go hand in hand. It ships with a couple 15-round magazines. Now, this is a 4-inch barrel. They also have a shorter. They call the shorter one a compact. So we tend to think that the 4-inch barrel is a compact size. They call the compact that's a little bit shorter. I have that one as well. But here we have forward serrations, a 4-slot Picatinny rail, a sight hole indicator, Glock-like rear sight pinned in front dot. You'll line those up and it is pretty accurate. And you'll also notice that it has an internal hammer right there. And I want to show that because it is very interesting. Nice grip texturing. It is glass-filled nylon polymer. And the shooting impressions are great. I love the way this fires. It is accurate. It's a quick shooter. And it's a hammer fire gun that you cannot see, but you will shortly. It also has a thumb safety right there. Once engaged, it locks up the trigger and the slide. Sweep down and it is live to fire. Nice overall handgun, and it is fairly light. We're going to get it on the scale, but I want to show you that trigger or that hammer internally, but the trigger right now. Here we have a trigger tab in there. It breaks right at 5.5 pounds. There it is with a reset right there. Fairly large trigger guard, undercut in the trigger guard, no over travel, some texturing there for those who keep their offside finger on there. I don't do that, but a lot of people do. Let me show you how the Security-9 disassembles. We're going to move the slide back just a little bit. And with the help, well, let's show clear there. Okay. And we're going to push that pin out. Now, I have the help of my knife. I'm going to use this side just to push it out. And that'll come out. If not, I could just pry it open. And we will see that well, let me drop the mag. That would sure help. And then there is the glass-filled nylon frame. Single captured recoil spring, and the 4-inch barrel. The barrel has a integrated barrel bushing that is common with many Ruger handguns, but here is the hammer. Let me go ahead and pull the trigger, and you'll see that the hammer is right there. All right. Now, it's a pre-cocked hammer, which means when the slide cycles, it takes this hammer right there and cocks it all the way back, and that will lighten the trigger pull. Okay, so here we pull it, and then as the slide cycles, pushes that right back. Very cool. And I think Ruger did a fine job with this handgun. I have owned it for a long time, and every time I take it out, it just reminds me what a nice handgun it is. Now when reassembling, you can see my hands got a little, I just cleaned it up and it was a bit dirty, and I will tell you it performed great when it was dirty. Just put that pin in there and you are good to go. Let's get it on the scale here. Here is a, well, let me turn it on and I'll dial down this light. Here is a empty, unloaded Security-9, 1 pound, 3 7¾ ounces, 23 3/4 ounces. Here are 15 rounds to load that mag, 30 and an 1/8, and we'll have a carry round there, 30½ ounces. So that is pretty light compared to your standard Glock 19 or your M&P 9. You'll notice that the Security-9 is pretty light. Enjoy the handgun. I very much do. I think Ruger did a fine job with it. It performs great. It's a little bit lighter. Has pretty much the bells and whistles that you want in a handgun. And like I said, I've owned it for a long time. Have a lot of rounds through it. I like the trigger action. I like the pre-cocked hammer. Sight picture, not bad. It works. Just fill in that U-notch with the front sight and you're good to go. It still looks brand new, and I think Ruger did a fine job. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather Fur Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.